Hi everyone, expecting that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will see this question number 6. Okay, first I will explain you this question number 6 students, and then we will go for the understanding of solution. एक class test है, one class test is there. Okay, same question we have solved in previous exercise, so doesn't matter. In this class test also positive marks given for correct answers and negative marks given for incorrect answers, and 0 marks given for not attempting the question. Okay, here one class test is there, and in that class test plus 3 marks is given against your each correct answers, and minus 2 marks are given for each of your incorrect answers. Now the question is saying that Radhika is scoring 20 marks. How much is the total score of Radhika? Keep it in your mind, 20 marks. Again further question is telling if she got 12 correct answers. If she got 12 correct answers, then what is the number of incorrect answers? Okay, so the question is very simple students. Now we will see the solution. है ना? तो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, हमें मालूम है, we know that we are given plus 3 marks for each correct answers and minus 2 marks for each incorrect answers. Okay, now Radhika's score has been given as 20 marks and the number of correct answers also has been given. That is, how much correct answers? 12 correct answers she is giving. Okay, now you have to find out the number of incorrect answers that she has given. Okay, so first here we will write total score of Radhika is equal to how much students? 20. Since number of correct answers given by her is equal to how much students? 12. Okay, so how much score she will get after giving 12 correct answers? That is 12 into 3. So she must get total score, that is total score she must get how much? 12 into 3, that is 36. But how much is she getting? She is getting only 20 marks. Are you getting? See, number of correct answers given by her is how much? 12. So according to this, she must get how much? She must get 12 into 3, that is 36 marks. But she is getting how much? 20. So how much is remaining? A score after giving wrong answer. Okay, after giving wrong answer means whatever the marks that is getting difference, where is that marks? That marks is deducted for giving wrong answers. Okay, so here we will divide, subtract 36 in minus 20, and then we will have here 6 and then 1 and 6, that is 16. Means her 16 marks is deducted for giving wrong answer, and we know for giving one wrong answer how much marks is deducted? 2 marks. For total how much score has been deducted? Total 16 marks has been deducted. So how many wrong question has been attempted by Radhika? So divided it by 2, so 8. Means total number of incorrect answers given by Radhika is equal to how much? 8. So okay, now next part of the question, what next part of the question is saying, students? Next part of the question is saying that Mohini scored -5 marks. Okay, now I am going to rub this one, then I will solve the next part. Mohini is scoring how much, students? -5 marks. Okay, so Mohini, just see here, Mohini is scoring how much? -5 marks. Now she got 7 correct, then how many answers are incorrect of Mohini? Again same question is there, so again we will solve it. Now Mohini, total score of Mohini, total score of Mohini -5 marks. Now how many correct answers she is giving? Total correct answers, how many total correct answers she is giving? 7. So according to this 7 correct answers, how much marks she must get it, students? So she must get her score should be how much? Her score should be 7 into 3, that is 21. Her score should be 21, but how much is her score? -5. Means how much again? Means these 7 questions marks already vanished, and again she is going in negative marking. Okay, means what? See, total how much she is getting lose, students? See, this 21 and this 5, or you can say -5. So we will add them. So how much we will get total score of Mohini? We will get as 21 plus 5, that is 26. And means this 26 when divided by 2, that is the score when anyone is giving wrong answer. जब कोई गलत आंसर देता है तो माइनस कितना हो रहा है? -2 मार्क्स. तो ये दोनों को जब ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, दैट इज 21 प्लस 5, हाउ मच यू विल गेट? 26. एंड देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाई 2 as I divided in the first segment. So when you will divide it by 2, then you will get total number of incorrect answers given by Mohini. That will be equal to I think 21 plus 5, 26 divided by 2, 1 ja 3 ja. So total number of questions, incorrect questions given by Mohini is how much, students? Is 13. So this was your question number 6. I hope that you understood it. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, all of you stay safe, take care, bye bye.